Pay attention to the left-hand lane here as Jason Sack is backing up from his burnout in that orange 69 Nova. He is in our unlimited category, meaning you can do whatever you want, up to and including running methanol. This car has gone as quick as 7:31, 188 miles an hour. He did that at Norwalk, Ohio. Can't believe this car has driven as far as it has, and it is number 3 in our unlimited category. Suspect all eyes will be on Jason Sack. Can he go quicker than 7:31, faster than 188? Jason goes 112 to 60 feet, shaking the tail to 468 at the 8th mile, and 729, his best run of the week so far. 729 at 185 miles an hour.